Welcome back, fellas, into this new video to Express. So today we wanted to be focusing. We're not talking about a newsletter. We are building an actual campaign and automated sequences that works while you actually sleep. So I'm going to be showing you how to create an actual sequence. We can use AI to write the copy and hook it to your funnel in under 5 minutes. Now, depending on the actual plan that you are using into System E, there's a few elements that might be or not available here directly through System E. So the first thing is to create an actual campaign. If you are signed in, you are into your dashboard. So basically what you wanted to do is that inside your actual dashboard, you wanted to focus here for the upper section that says emails. When you click directly here through emails, you can click directly from the one that says campaigns. Now we usually have this empty, so we wanted to focus for this huge button that says create. So you wanted to give your campaign a clear name like 7 days welcome sequencer. Depending on what you actually are your goals, usually what I do is to specify what I'm actually going to be doing with this campaign so I can acknowledge and I can differentiate this from the other ones. Now here your customers won't see this, so keep it organized for your own sanity, guys. It's going to be really important. Now the sender's email address, you wanted to import a sender email and you can import the actual description. So basically this is just a test. You want to hit for save. Now in this case, for example, I'm going to try with techexpressvideos@gmail.com. Now if you don't have a sender email address, you wanted to generate and verify your email address. So for this, you want to click into this button and go for click to add and verify it. Now basically you might need to get a verified email address and confirm your email address like this. So what I need to do is to type the same email address that I used to sign in from this systeme.io, and here's the actual sender. So for example, let's say the name should be the name of my company, and there we go. So I'm going to hit back directly through my email, make sure that the email has now been correctly verified, and I can go back directly inside here and see if I can now start creating my actual campaign. So you must have an actual domain in order to make sure that you have now the element of adding an actual email address in order to get started with that. So to write the first email inside the actual folder, you want to click into add an email. You choose between the visual editor or the classic editor. So a pro tip that I can give you, for example, is that simple text-based emails usually get better deliverability. So use the System E magic icon next to the subject line to generate 3 high-clicked options based on your offers. So the template names, you can just check it out, and you can see the personalization substitute. For example, here's the email, here's the first name, the last, the street address, the street number, neighbor, postal. So you can choose that specific template and add it directly inside here. And even if you don't, what you can do is to go back directly here from the AI, and you can help, for example, create a email campaign. And there we go. Usually it's going to be giving you a few questions about how you'd like to get started, what is the purpose of this, and if there are some things that you need to add directly through your account, it's going to be asking you the System E to focus directly into generate that information there, right? So once you have now clicked directly here from save, you have now the timing and the sequence. So when you hit for save and published, for the first email you want to set it delay to 0 usually to want them get into the second day sign up. For the second email, usually I go for 1 day only, and we can link this to the follow to the first one. So you can stack as many emails as you can possibly can, and a standard warm-up sequence is usually 5 to 7 days long. So now how do people actually get into this campaign? So if you focus directly from your sales into the upper side, I'm going to close this. Let's go for sales. Now usually here directly I can focus directly for orders or for transactions that usually is going to be appearing directly inside here, or even the actual squeeze page. So if you click into the automation rules, which is going to appear directly inside here, you can add a new rule, and you can choose the actual funnel that appears directly inside here, which is I believe it's called the funnel step form subscribed, which is this one. So under actions, what you can do is to look out for subscribe to campaign. So basically, this is a really great automation rule that can be helping you to track and pick one that you actually made. So always add a tag as well. That can be helping you to save this specific role. And well, basically with this information, I can now start to trigger, let's say for example, to check out in a specific tagged contact, right? And you can add them manually, of course. So once you finish with this element, usually that's it. Your business is now an autopilot, and you can now start to track that information directly inside here. Now make sure that you are using the actual free plan. The free plan comes with a lot of context, sales funnels, blogs and all of that, but you can only be available to start with just one email campaign, so take that in mind. If you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more great tools like this directly here into the system.io. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we can all see you next time.